Guys, Antony Murithi here. Muscle building guide, advice, motivator, key inspiration, guide for any person who's setting up the gym. And if you're here and if you're a beginner, today's topic is about tips and tricks for a beginner who's going to the gym and doesn't know what he or she should do, where, do. Yeah, in short, it's like setting out a journey that you aren't sure of what you're supposed to do. So if you're here in the right place, guys, so let's start off by saying dress code, guys. That's the first thing we'll be talking about. This topic is your dress code, guys. If you're going to the gym, your dress code should be very, very much a key aspect of your training. What I mean is, you can't wear anything like jeans. You can't wear anything like in general, anything that's not allowing you to do a certain activity at a very comfortable pace. If you're doing squats, if you're doing dumbbells, if you're doing machine work, if you're doing jogging, if you're doing stretching, it doesn't matter what exercise you're doing, but the dress code really matters. And I hardly advise anything for guys, shorts, for chicks, maybe tights, for guys, tank tops or sleeveless like this, like something that's gonna allow air to seep in and to cool you down when you're doing an activity. So dress code, guys, don't wear anything that you won't be comfortable doing, because you'll be losing your gains. You'll be essentially losing instead of gaining. So that's the first thing, dress code, guys. Second thing I highly advise you guys is hydrate. I mean carry your water. What has many beneficials, but the ones I could highly advise, it keeps your concentration high, it reduces your fatigue, and it keeps you elevated in your mood. So your water at the gym gives you more additions, it gives you more energy. It serves as a cool down anytime you're cooling down and like trying to go for another rep or another set in your exercise. So I highly advise you, as a beginner, carry your water. Your water is very key, and you'll thank me. You will thank me later when I tell you this. So yeah, keep your water. It doesn't matter what type of an ml. Just carry a water bottle, and yeah, it will be good to go. Another thing is hygiene. I mean carrying your towel. Anytime you're in an exercise, I'll hate when I go to the gym and someone is using a machine work, and that machine work is left with patches of sweat. It doesn't add up, guys. So if you're going to the gym, carry your towel. Carry a towel. When you're done with the machine or you're on the machine, you can just place your towel, and if you end up sweating, because guys, they're different guys, we're all different, and some people sweat a lot, some people don't sweat a lot. But essentially, you're in a gym, and hygiene is key, and any other person is going to use that equipment. So I highly advise you to use your towel, carry your towel. It's something hygienic. So yeah, keep your towel, guys. If you're a person who doesn't keep your towel, please keep your towel. Another thing, guys, we've talked about, and the fourth one is, please put your phone away. This is what I see in the gym. Guys coming in the gym and start texting. What's the point of you coming in the gym and you're texting? You had maybe say the whole day, then you only give yourself like 30 minutes in the gym, and the other 30 minutes you give your phone. Doesn't make sense, guys. Doesn't make sense. Please, if you're going to the gym and if you use your phone in the gym, please, for any beginner, don't use your phone. It's not highly advised. But if you're a person who goes to the gym and uses your phone and is not a beginner, I would highly advise you not to stop, because this interferes with the exercise. If you have to do, let's say, 5 reps, you go to your phone, you forget, oh my god, how many reps was I supposed to do? How many sets was I supposed to do? So yes, please put your phone away, please. Lastly, on the tips and tricks is choose your time wisely. Based on your routine, on your work, or whatever you do, choose your time wisely. I highly advise, guys, if you're free in the morning, go in the morning. If you're free in the evening, go in the evening. But when I say choose your time wisely, just choose the appropriate time that you can go. And I highly advise, before you go, make sure you eat something. Don't go to the gym with an empty stomach, or don't go to the gym when you just eaten like a couple minutes ago, because this will go bloating into your stomach and it will cause a lot of severe pain. In short, you feel bad. I'm speaking from experience. So yeah, choose your time wisely. And guys, a key takeaway for any beginner is that this is an important journey. This is a lifestyle. This is like something healthy. It's a healthy lifestyle for you as a beginner. And these are just the key takeaways. You can just put them somewhere when I encourage you, when you come to the gym, the essentials that it has more key benefits to your life and health. So I highly advise you as a beginner, if you're starting, just don't stop. Keep the momentum going. Remember always to stretch before or after. Always warm up as well. And if you have any without even me being there, just if you have anything, just ask any instructor for your guide, and essentially he or she's gonna help you with whatever question you bring up to him. And we come to a close with this video, but before I close up with this video, if you've reached here, put anything in the comment section, a tip or trick you have learned, a tip or trick maybe, I don't know, maybe any beginner can just go there and maybe see. So yeah guys, just add anything down in the comment section below, and yeah, it will be helping each other as one, as a unit. So yeah, and if you're a beginner, another thing I would highly advise you to do is please yeah, just keep it easy, keep it like, yeah, enjoy what you're doing, just keep it simple. Don't do anything for the sake of just lifting. Remember, this is your body and you can actually hurt it. So yeah, keep it simple. Remember, just keep on showing up, keep on showing up with a friend, keep the consistency going, and yeah, you will definitely love the gains or the goals. And so yeah, I will also advise you guys to have goals. Oh yeah, so guys, yeah, this has been awesome, this has been so fun, and yeah, catch you in the next one guys. And yeah, if you've reached here, don't forget to give me a like, give me a shout out. Check my go check out my Instagram on Antony Murithi, there where I post some content, the daily content on some fitness and some, yeah, where you can also find me and ask me anything that you think that we can converse there. So yeah guys, if you've reached here, it's been fun. Take care of yourself. See you in the next one. Peace.